Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Crochet color changes mid-row can be made in two different ways. In this tutorial, I'll show both methods. Very often when color changes occur frequently, yarn is carried upwards from the previous row or round. In this first method, the double crochet stitch is started with the pink color yarn, but the last yarn over and pull through is paused. The pink yarn is dropped either in front of the work or the back, and the yellow yarn is pulled up from the previous row and used to finish the last double crochet stitch. And then the yellow yarn is used to make the next double crochet stitch. In this next method, the yellow yarn is used to fully complete the last stitch needed with yellow yarn. With some yarn, it helps to fully complete the last stitch to get a better tension and consistency among all stitches, especially the last one. And then the crochet hook is backed out of the loop and inserted into the top loop and side loop. The pink yarn is pulled from the back, from the last set of pink stitches, and pulled through. Then the yellow yarn is pulled through to remove the loop, and the next stitch is ready for the pink yarn. While both of these methods pretty much produce the same effect, the difference is when color changes are occurring frequently and when trying to follow a chart. Sometimes it's much easier to fully complete a stitch first and then back out of it for the next color, especially when following lots of little blocks of color for graphghans that change very frequently. And that's it. That's the two methods I use for changing colors mid-row.